So next one, sixth one is the null vector. Null is a vector of magnitude and arbitrary direction. A vector having magnitude 0 is called null vector. For example, sum of a vector and its negative vector is a null vector. How to represent this null vector? For example, this is a vector in this direction, but when we will write a vector negative, we will write this another vector in the opposite direction. So if these two vectors are, for example, forces, they will cancel the effect of each other with same magnitude but opposite direction. So the resultant is the 0, and this is called null vector with magnitude 0 and arbitrary direction. Next one is equal vectors. Two vectors A and B are said to be equal if they have same magnitude and direction regardless of the position of the initial point. This means that parallel vectors of the same magnitude are equal to each other. Two vectors, if they have same magnitude regardless their position of their initial points, they are said to be equal vectors. For example, these two vectors A and A negative are having same magnitude. These two vectors, for example, there is a vector A, already I have mentioned what I am representing it is B. This vector with C in opposite direction. These two vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude.